First step is making sure that you have the right components present for this tent. Each tent has a unique product ID number. Go ahead and find that number on the tent bag. Now, take everything out of the bag. You should find a bunch of fabric-like pieces that represent the tent itself, as well as poles and stakes, which may come in their own separate stuff sacks. If you do see these smaller separate stuff sacks, go ahead and take out the poles and stakes. Set the stakes aside for now. We'll come back to this at the very end. Let's start with the poles, which are quite the bundle. Your first task is to figure out how many unique poles you actually have. Each pole consists of a number of segments connected by a stretchy shock cord. So take a second and use your hands to tease the unique poles apart. Then you want to look up online to see how many unique poles you should have for this tent, and verify that you have the correct number and that each unique pole has the same product ID number as the tent. Next, let's tackle the fabric pieces. All of our tents have 3 fabric pieces: the body, the rainfly, and the footprint, although in some cases we may supply a tarp instead of a footprint. It's not important in this step to know which piece is which. Just go ahead and use your hands to separate 3 distinct fabric pieces. Again, verifying that each piece has the same product ID number as the tent. If at this point you're missing any components, or any components have a non-matching product ID, then you'll first need to find all the right components before proceeding. If this is part of a customer order with more than one tent, parts may have gotten mixed up. Or sometimes parts may have been lost or left behind, and we'll need to reach out to verify.